Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to enroll in Autopay on Ambetter. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website ambetterhealth.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, click on Member. To log in, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Also enter your password, then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On this page, you'll see an option for Enroll in Autopay. Click on Enroll in Autopay. Here you'll see a brief info about Autopay. To proceed, click on Continue to Schedule. Now select a payment date. Then click on Continue to Payment. Next, select your preferred payment method. Or if you haven't added yet, click on Add Credit Card or use your bank account. After that, click on Review Enrollment. Lastly, review the enrollment details. If everything's good, click on Confirm Enrollment. That's how you enroll in Autopay on Ambetter. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.